Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove watermark from your video for free without a blur. Okay, let's get into it guys. For today's tutorial, I'm going to use InShot video editor. So make sure you have downloaded and installed this application on your mobile phone. And I'm going to open the project I have just created, this one. And I'm going to remove this watermark from my video. I'm going to duplicate this video first. We're going to go to the duplicate option. And then I'm going to make it as an overlay. We can click on switch to make it as an overlay, and we can adjust the position like this. I'm going to make it align with my first video. Okay, and tap on the second video. We're going to use mask to cover the watermark. Go to the mask, and I recommend you to choose the circle mask because the result will look more natural. And then we can adjust the size of the mask and take another part of your video to cover the watermark. And I'm just going to take this part because this part will be suitable to cover the watermark. And then I'm going to click on this check mark and drag the mask to cover the watermark. Okay, and now it's done, and click on the check mark, and as you can see that the watermark has been removed from my video. Alright guys, and that's all the way to remove watermark from our video for free without blur. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.